Alright, so this is just a quick video showing you how I installed a kill switch, did a little setup trick on 7-string guitar I just bought. Hope it helps some of you guys.
First things first, just remove the whammy bar. Then you want to draw a dot where you're going to have your volume pot, and just move the knob like that, and then the pot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just enlarge this volume pot hole here. So the actual kill switch I've got, I'll show you, is one like this. It's quite a small kill switch, but it's got I think 16 or something width. So I've just got a bigger drill bit here. I'm just going to enlarge it. Now I've enlarged it a bit, I'm just going to use a semicircular file to round it a bit and make it a bit more flush. Gone ahead and drilled the hole. Now poke through the volume pot, and then I'm going to put the washers on and secure the knob, and hopefully it looks pretty clean. Okay, so the volume pot's on, as you can see, and then we just got to get the kill switch installed and set up, which I'll do in just a sec. So for the kill switch wiring, basically all I've done is I've cut a couple wires to the length of from the kill switch to the input jack with a little bit more room, and then I basically stripped the ends off, put them in the little terminals and just screw them on, and then bent up the ends so they don't make contact with anything. Okay, so once you've done the other end, just strip and twist these, then you're going to want to feed them through the hole you made and out towards the input jack. Just a quick thing, once you've fed it through, twist the wires together to make it a bit more neat, then feed them through the other pots. You can tape them down if you want to, and before you do any soldering, make sure you get your nut, feed it on there and tighten it on. Okay, so now that I've put that ring nut on, tightened it up and fed the wires through, they're coming through to this input jack here. So basically you're hot and ground on the input jack. You just want to put the black and the red one, solder them onto that. It doesn't matter which way you do it, so I'm just going to put the red one on the left one, black one on the right one. Should be enough solder, but I might melt a little bit more. I'll update you once I'm finished. Okay, so those two wires are now soldered in there, so that's all the soldering done. So I can just screw that back on, but just to show you guys it working, I'll give it a quick test. Okay, so here we go. I'll just move this strap out of the way. So as you can see, volume and tone is working nice, and then kill switch working nicely there.